Charlie, come on. Up. Come on, up. Good boy, yes. Good boy. Good boy, come. Up. Yes, good boy, come on. Up. Up. Yes. Very nice, Charlie. Very nice. Come on. Up. Up. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. So we have Charlie jumping in the back of the truck. No leash. I'm not even having to use the crate top, not having to reward him with food, nothing. He's just doing it. Oh, this little hat, probably looking at, my GoPro attaches to it. We're going to be doing some of that action later. But look at that guy. No problem at all jumping in the back of that truck. So right there, those are the ramps that the owner was having to use to get him just to go into the back of a car this far off the ground. So he can do it, and he's pretty good at it too. That's awesome that he'll jump up in there and he's relaxed enough just to lay down and sit there, and he likes it. He's not trying to jump up in there and then get scared. Well, now look at him. Now he comes out when I say something, but he was in there nice and comfortable. No big deal. That's what I want to see. Come on, Charlie. Up. Up. Nope, come here. Up. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. All right, there's a good look at, he's got it now. So this next week, it's going to be all leash manners with Charlie. So we've got him loading in the vehicle, and then the next goal, they really wanted him to not pull on the leash, which he's actually doing really good on. Come here, buddy. He'll turn you around this way. They always have to go to the bathroom when we make videos. Come here, Bubba. Good boy. Nope. Good boy. So he's doing great. But mind you, that's just here. So he's used to walking here. And what we want to do is get him to where we can take him out in public and have him walk nice like that. Not pulling, not having to be ahead of me and all that good stuff. But he's a really gentle-minded dog, and it won't be too hard. So there is a good look at Charlie, and we'll probably do Archie here in a little while. Whoop. All right, toodles.